Enjoy the butterflies, enjoy being naive, enjoy the nerves, the pressure. If you kind of want to stand on the top from day one, then there's nothing else to look forward to. Enjoy kind of the process of making a name for yourself and meeting some great people along the way. Yeah, so a lot of worldly people in this paddock you can laugh with, learn from, enjoy some moments with. So embrace the good ones, stay focused, don't veer too far off your path. I think just like keep trying to build and grow and learn from yourself, but don't forget what got you here. And yeah, bring friends along, bring family along. They might be something to kind of take the weight off your shoulders on the race weekend. They're also people to enjoy them with, to celebrate with. So don't be afraid to surround yourself with people that you care about and love, and they're also excited to, I guess, be on this journey as well. So